Hey guys, today we're going to be using addition or subtraction to solve systems of equations, okay? So if I have the system of equations x plus y equals 7 and x minus y equals 3, the way you solve this, right? I'm going to draw a line underneath, and I'm going to look for a place where I can cancel. If I were to add these up and down, like the x plus x or the y plus negative y, I'm going to look for something that's going to cancel out a variable, like give me a 0x or a 0y. So if I were to add these, okay, this x plus this x, that's going to give me 2x. Well, right here, I have a plus y and a minus y. That's going to give me a 0y. So in essence, these cancel out. All right. So what I'll do here, let me get rid of that. So I'll cancel these. And then all I have to do is add my 7 and my 3, and that's 10. So now I have 2x equals 10. Well, this is 2 times x equals 10. The opposite of multiplication is division, so I'm going to put a divided by 2 and a divided by 2 on either side. All right, and these 2's cancel, so I have x equals 5. All right, so now I know x equals 5, and what I can do is I can plug this x value either into this original equation or this original equation. I'm going to choose to do it to the bottom one. Okay, so x minus y equals 3. So I'll do 5 minus y equals 3. Okay, now I'm going to subtract 5 on both sides. All right, so that cancels this 5. And now I am left with negative y equals 3 minus 5 is negative 2. All right, so now I have negative y equals negative 2. The way you get rid of a negative in front of a variable, remember that this is negative 1y, okay? So the way I would get rid of the negative 1 is I would divide both sides by a negative 1. So that will leave me y equals negative 2 divided by negative 1 is 2. So there's my y. I know x, I know y. So we write our answer in parentheses. We write it as the x first and then the y. So x is 5 and the y is 2. So the answer is 5, 2. Now, let's say we have a situation where, let's switch this back to blue. All right, what if I have x plus y equals 4 and 2x plus y equals 8. Oops. All right. Notice that I don't have anything to cancel here. Right, so if I put my line here, nothing cancels here. I can't do, if I do x, so if I were to try plus x plus 2x, that's 3x, right? And then if I did y plus y, that's 2y. Nothing cancels. So what I'm going to try now is I'm going to try subtraction, okay? Now, when I subtract, I'm going to subtract the entire bottom equation. So that's actually going to change what the equation is. So I'm going to rewrite it over here as x plus y equals 4. And now this bottom equation, I'm going to change all the signs of the bottom equation. So it will become negative 2x minus y equals negative 8. Okay? So now you'll see I have a y, a positive y, and a negative y right here. And because they're the opposite sign, they're the opposite of each other, they will cancel. Okay? Now I have x minus 2x, 1x. So treat that as 1x minus 2x. That's negative 1x equals 4 minus 8 is negative 4. Okay? So I divide both sides by negative 1, x equals 4. All right, so now I have my value of x equals 4. Now I need to find y. So what I'll do is I'll take this x value of 4 and I'm going to plug it in to this equation right here. So I'll change that x into a 4, so it becomes 4 plus y equals 4. Now I'm going to subtract 4 on both sides. Okay, so I will cross that off. This is positive y, so it's just y. 4 minus 4 is 0. So y equals 0. All right, so my x is 4, my y is 0. I make my parentheses. And inside here, I put the x value first, which is 4. And I put my y value second, which is 0. So the answer to this one is going to be 4, 0.